ezyZip.
How to extract thumbnails from Thumbs.db files with 7-Zip. Want to extract Thumbs.db files? Here's how with the Thumbs7z plugin for 7-Zip. If you don't have 7-Zip yet, download and install it first. Link is in the description below. Download Thumbs.db link is also in the description. Copy the DLL file into a formats folder in 7-Zip's directory, and restart 7-Zip. Once all necessary files have been installed, go to the file directory where your Thumbs.db files is stored. Right-click on the file, and in the selection menu, click on 7-Zip then click on Extract here. Let 7-Zip do its magic. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.